This past month has given us a much clearer picture of what's happening as we enter into our spring real estate market. Now, if we look at the sales numbers for Guelph, Kitchener-Waterloo, as well as Cambridge, they were up month over month. However, our sales numbers are still down compared to this time last year, showing that we are still in a slower market. What really stands out in this market is how differently homes are performing from one another. Right now, homes that hit the market that are priced correctly, prepared properly, really well marketed, and have the right strategy are still selling, most of them very quickly. However, the homes that miss the mark, even just by a little bit, are sitting on the market, and many of them are having to do multiple price adjustments before they sell, if they sell. This is a big shift from the seller's market that we had for previous years, where homes would sell regardless. Right now, buyers are a lot more patient, they're a lot more informed, and they're willing to wait for the right house. We are continuing to see the freehold segment outperform the condo market. And right now, detached homes are showing much more solid sales figures than any other housing class. Right now, the market appears to be very stable. We're not seeing any signs of a sharp drop, but we're also not seeing any upward pressure pushing up housing prices. It feels like we're going to remain relatively stable and flat for the year. For buyers, this means generally more choice and less pressure than what we've seen in other spring markets. Having said that, the good houses that are priced well are still selling very quickly, and we are still seeing homes go to multiple offers. So if you come across a house that really stands out, you are still going to have to act quickly. For sellers in this market, you have to price properly, you have to do everything you can to make your house show as good as possible, and you have to have a very strong agent who's going to be able to negotiate and market the property properly.